Hey, what's happening, people? It's Jason with Dad's That Cook. I'm getting old, and it's sad. I've been out looking for different ways to become healthy and to get more energy into my life, but I found a company called Mdrive, and they make the best everyday type nutrition. It's an incredible little supplement that gives me the energy that I need. So I tried it in a smoothie with just a banana. Now I'm trying it with pancakes. I'm gonna make some pancakes. I wanna get a little creative. I've got my little NutriBullet. You use a blender, whatever you got, and we're just gonna put all these things right in there. So let's put our oats in. I've got 1 cup of rolled oats. Put 3 tablespoons of the Mdrive Start in, okay? It's like a chocolate mousse. So these pancakes are gonna be like a banana chocolate moussey kind of thing, which is really cool. 1 large teaspoon of baking powder. We're gonna put that in there. I'm gonna peel my little banana. So I'm just gonna dump those in. And then I'm gonna take my 1 cup of almond milk that's unsweetened. And we wanna blend it up so it's nice and smooth. So let it go, let it fly. Medium-low heat, I'm going to use a little spray. You don't want the heat too hot because it'll burn, right? You don't want to burn the bottom. You just want to get it cooked so it starts bubbling in. Oh, look at that, nice and fluffy. Ah, perfect. We got our pancakes. Look at those pancakes. Look how nice and fluffy they are. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put a few of these bananas on top. Grab some berries. Now let's top it off with a little date syrup. Okay, again, we're not using, maple syrup, which is still really good, but I'm trying something a lot healthier. There you have it. Look at those pancakes filled with some Mdrive Start. Let's dive in and see how it tastes. So let's go right here, right in the front. You're gonna wanna make these pancakes, no doubt. These are so good. So I love the fact that I'm able to take this Mdrive Start, stick it into some oats, because we didn't even use flour in it. We just used oats, rolled oats. So hopefully you like what's going on here. I got the recipe. Mdrive is great. Add it to your pancakes. Delicious, super easy, tasty, so good. Anyway, we'll see you next time on Dad's That Cook. Hey, thanks for watching. You like our videos? Well, then do me a favor and subscribe, because then we can update you on what's going on. You'll also know when we're giving away really cool stuff, which happens all the time. So make sure you subscribe, and we'll be in touch.